First, place a dart monkey. Upgrade it to a 0, 1, 2. Then quickly to a 0, 2, 2. Now place a druid. Upgrade the druid to a 0, a 1. Then to a 0, 1, 1. Then to a 0 to 1. Upgrade the dart monkey to a 0 to 3. Upgrade the druid to a 0, 3, 2. Then the dart monkey to a 0, 0, 4. Upgrade the druid to a 0, 4, 2. Upgrade the dart monkey to a 0 to 5. Finally, upgrade the druid to a 0 to 5. Round 92 is the highest round with these two monkeys. Thanks for watching.